Solving a quadratic equation by completing the square. Okay, so to solve a quadratic equation in this form where we have ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where a does not equal 0 by completing the square, we want to use the following steps. Okay, the first step is the following. If the value of a here, in this scenario here, if the value of a is not equal to 1, you divide both sides of the equation by whatever the value of a is. Step 2. What you would do is rewrite the equation so that the constant term is alone on one side of the equality symbol. That means that you want the value of the constant term c on the right side of the equation, and then we're going to leave the variable terms on the left side of the equation. Step number 3. We want to square half the coefficient of x, and then add this square to each side of the equation, meaning that the coefficient of x is b. So what we want to do is we want to square half of that, and then we're going to add this square to both sides of the equation. Step 4. We're going to factor the resulting trinomial as a perfect square and then combine like terms on the other side. Step 5. We're going to use the square root property to complete the solution. So we're going to see a few examples of how to solve a quadratic equation by completing the square, where the value of a is equal to 1, where the value of a is not equal to 1.